Well, hey, it's Farmer Dale back from vacation. That's right, Farmer Jenny and I went on a small little vacation and left some people in charge of the garden. They did a great job picking and taking care of it and doing a good job. Hey, I'm standing out here in our corn plot. You can see all of our corn. Look at the tassels on there. If you look around down here real close, you can see these starting to tassel. We've got a lot of corn on the stalks, so we'll see how big they get and see what kind of growth we get out of those. So corn's looking good. I'm gonna turn around here and let y'all see the whole entire plot. It's growing pretty good. It's the peaches and cream. We'll see what kind of crop we get out of it. But hey, our green beans and our butter beans and our I'm gonna stand right here in the plot down here. I'll stand down here in the plot, and you can see boy, that sun's in my eyes big time there. You can see so look at there. Woo, we doggy. So that's all the beans and butter beans and purple hull peas right there. We planted a second crop of squash that's starting to really kick in, and we got some pickling cucumbers that are really doing well. Those are starting to spread. We got some butternut squash right here. We got some okra, which I'll show you the real big plots of okra up front. And this little back plot, we planted some more purple hull peas and some lima beans. That was our second row of those. So those things are really going well, and we're selling out of stuff left and right. We've been selling tons of squash. We've been selling tons of cucumbers and zucchini. And then we started selling peppers, jalapeno peppers and Hungarian wax peppers. Those are really doing well. I want to walk down here and show you the watermelon patch. We got grass is really taking over, but hey, we got watermelons on the vine. I'm going to show you one of those. This right here is a sugar baby. See if I can get down there and show you a little sugar baby right there. Ooh, doggy, that's gonna be good. So those are doing really well, and we should be getting those in here in a little while. We got some little baby cantaloupes growing. Those are doing really well. Those are really starting to spread. So that's all of those. Zucchini's about to play out. The heat's about to get them. Been putting water on them all the time, but the heat's about to get them. This squash right here, boy, we've been picking this squash since, I don't know, end of May. Somewhere along in there. That sun is really probably in y'all's eyes right there. How about that? My big head can cover that up. But the squash is starting to play out. And hey, man, look at my zinnias and my marigolds. Man, those are really doing well. Hey, I told y'all we've been selling a bunch of Hungarian wax peppers. We've been selling a bunch of jalapenos. So I'm gonna come in here and kind of show you how these right here are really doing well. Here's one of those Hungarian wax peppers right there. You can see that pretty well. Those are really well. Those are just about ready to pick right there. And then we picked a ton. We got the water going right here on these pepper plants, but we've started picking a ton of cherry tomatoes. We're gonna get in here. We just watered these today. Give them some water, but boy, look at these cherry tomatoes. I'm gonna pick those tonight. I'm gonna pick those tonight. Yes, we are. So the tomatoes are doing really well. And the Romas and hey, if y'all want salsa, or spaghetti sauce, homemade spaghetti sauce, y'all gonna need to buy the Romas or the San Marzanos. Make a good crop of those. Let's walk down here. I'm gonna show you one of the Cherokee purples, how big it is. And well, that's a big one right there. We're gonna come over here. It's starting to turn colors. It's such a pretty color. Oh, look at this right here. Ooh, that's a big tomato right there. It's starting to turn colors. I'm gonna come over on this side so you can kind of see the color. You can see the color right there. Ooh, ooh, that's gonna be good. That's gonna be a good tomato. I mean, those cherry tomatoes, you get them cold. Ooh, so good. And here's what I've been hearing about and questions about. When's your okra going to be ready? Well, it's growing. We got 4 big rows of okra, and that is going to be a lot of okra. So y'all need to get ready for that. Got a couple people, they've already put their order in. They said, we'll take whatever you got. All right, so I'm gonna come down here and show you. Ooh, got one, he's getting close to being ready. Let's see if I can get you down here. Ooh, look at that right there. Ooh, that's a jambalaya right there. Ooh, that thing's gonna be really good. Let's go down here and see if we have any. Jambalayas are good, but my favorite is the red burgundy okra. And I don't think we got any. Got some blooms on there, but we don't have any that's popped up yet. But hey, everything's going well. I'm gonna give you a shot of the full sun's peeking in right there. Hey, everything's growing. We need some rain though. I need some people to pray for some rain. Give us some rain. Really need it really bad. So hopefully we're gonna be picking some corn pretty soon, selling that, and selling more tomatoes. We're gonna be getting those ready. I know a lot of farmers around here, local farmers, their tomatoes are starting to come in. So keep in touch. If you need anything, just let us know, and we'll put you on our order list. We already got some people on the order list, but we'll put you out there. Hey, we also have merch. We have hats for $20. We got these cool red t-shirts with a cool logo right there. Cool logo right there. Those are $10 a piece for the shirts, $20 for the hats. Only got a few more hats left. So if you want one, we'll deliver one to your house. Buy some vegetables and we'll deliver a hat to your house too. So hey, we make free delivery, so don't take advantage of that. As long as it's in good distance. Somebody asked about Olive Branch the other day, and I'm like, ooh, that's gonna be a special delivery fee for that one. But if it's local, Arlington, Tippany County, Fayette County, we will most definitely deliver for free. So keep us in touch, keep posting, or keep watching us on Facebook and Instagram. And hey, we're on TikTok now, doing some TikTok videos. So watch us on TikTok if you're watching TikTok. So hey, make sure you eat local, buy local, and talk to Jesus. Today's Sunday. Hope you went to church. If not, hope you got to talk to him today. Hey, get in church somewhere. I don't care where you go, but you need to be in church. All right? Farmer Dale out till next time. We'll see you. Bye-bye.